Yeah, I think in the bye week it's really important that we keep our focus. So we've just lifted the intensity at training. When you haven't got a focus to the end of the week as a game, you've got to find other ways to bring the focus and bring the energy, and we've done that by increasing the intensity of training. Put a bit of contact into training, a little bit of game speed, and they're fatiguing the boys, so it's been really good. It's a good opportunity for us to continue working on our game. As a national team, we don't get a lot of time before matches to do it, so it's a great opportunity this week. So there's a couple of players that have just got a couple of little niggles that there's no point getting them out and bashing them up this week. You probably, if you've been watching, you would have seen them join in at different things when the contact wasn't there, so it's just mainly keeping them out of contact if we can avoid it. You know, they're probably ready to go, but why risk it in the bye week? You know, just keep them ready, keep them working hard. They worked hard on their rehab, on the bike and the boxing, and keep the intensity there as well.